Let's actually something like this. Coding Aggregated Orderbook Heatmaps. Heatmaps, brother. Welcome. What's going on? Today we're gonna continue the Market Monkey desktop native app. Good news is I'm gonna rewrite the UI. I'm gonna migrate from Raylib over to something else, so it's gonna be faster than speed of light. And it's gonna be compiled to every target: Android, iOS, every OS, and WebAssembly. Yes, yes, baby. I'm live. I hope this is the correct link. I have no clue. Coding Aggregated Orderbooks. Yeah. Aggregated Orderbook Heatmaps over WebSocket. Yes! 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 Boys, what's going on? Who's here? Ashton Reef. Merhaba, handling. Buenas. Buenaseras. Ben Towers. Tori, no Tori, man. Fuck Rust. Rust is for toy projects. Toy projects, brother. I'm gonna do the challenge. If somebody... What's going on? Why can I not? It's because I'm here. If somebody can build it faster than me in Rust, at the same speed that I do it, go ahead. Let me show it. Let me show it how it's done, huh? Wait, water. You know what the problem is? People talk too much on Twitter. They talk too much. You see? You talk too much. Baba, yap. I talk too much as well, but I also make it happen, you know? That's the difference between you, me, and Anthony GG. Show us the power. Again, brothers, we are not building Call of Duty, you know what I mean? Is everything set up? That's the question that I ask myself. That's the meaning of life. Where is Anthony GG? Man, it cannot even predict my... Man, do I have no button that I can just click? Yes, here. Holy shit balls. Yeah, that's good. 4 people watching. Hi, Twitch. Okay. Why is my... Yes. Let's go. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Let's fucking go, brothers. Let's go. Look at this. If we scroll in and the text can be shown, it will... You know. You can pan. Up, down. All the way around. Look at this. Who has this? Nobody has this in the world. Well, they have, but not soon. Not when I do the combined heat maps. You know, combined heat maps. Nobody has the combined heat maps. We will. We will. So the thing is that I am selling this. The code base, the app, updates, one year, guaranteed, and video guides. Yes. Yes, brother. Okay, cool. Next step. Now we're gonna actually fix. We're gonna implement something else. If you're interested, go to my Discord channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jump onto the Discord. I'm releasing details very soon. Who is the next step? Coinbase. Package Coinbase, that's what it is. Package Coinbase. A slap in your face. Ah. Big disgrace. Purple haze. Binance F. Okay, I get some readme. What's going on? Const WS endpoints. This thing. Sick, you're gonna show us how use it to everything, my man. We're gonna have. I'm thinking about having, or we're gonna have Python scripting, Lua scripting, or JavaScript. We can decide. It doesn't really matter. And now we can actually run algorithms directly on the real time instead of using trading view, which doesn't support that. It doesn't have order book data. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna do a head and shoulder. You're gonna do an RSI strategy, like all these Python boys on YouTube. No, we're not gonna do RSI. That's for fucking idiots. That's for fucking idiots, bros. We do the real deal here. I was quiet for years, but not anymore. I will show you how it's done. Yeah. We're gonna build the real stuff. How do you say that? Professional trading software at your fingertips. Just like the market makers. You know what I mean? Send a mail to Michael. Send a mail to Michael. And tell Michael to bring me my coffee. You know who Michael is? ICT trader. Look him up on Google. Call Michael and tell him, hey, Michael, Anthony told you to bring his coffee. But it will be AI included. I don't know. Ask Mansoor. He's working on that. We're already working on AI, brother. We're already working on that. But AI is, I mean, it's too slow. You know what I mean? Okay, Anthony, can't focus. Let everybody do his thing. And you do your thing. That's what it is. Coinbase, WebSocket, yada yada yada. That's good. Save. Bit, symbols, actor, C. Not this one. Not this one, my man. We're gonna use Gorilla. Just for the sake. Symbols. I think we need to have the symbol differently on Coinbase. Coinbase. Let's do a receive. Let's do a producer. Let's copy all this bullshit in. What's going on here? Coinbase. Shit. Base. Base from Coinbase. The B. The B from Coinbase. Active producer. Binance. Coinbase. Do we want the context in here? Yeah, we want that. Actor. Context. What happened to Z? Man, I was playing against Lux and I lost so hard. And I said I'm never gonna pick Z again. The guy is thinking like, what the hell is he telling me, man? What is he talking about? I don't know. Z. I just opened VS Code. Like I said, it was a muscle memory. I opened up my terminal this morning and I did code dot. That's how I choose my editor. Yeah. Okay. What we're gonna do is so yeah, let's copy this actually. Coinbase new Binance F Coinbase actor with ID. You see, I don't like this. Why do we do that actually? Ah, yeah, it's for yeah, hacking things together. It's fine. Subscribe. This is the feed. I don't know how it's gonna work at Coinbase though. Can anybody hear the music? Yeah, let's do this, and then we're gonna create this WS loop to read. That's fine. Probably here. Let's create the loop as well here. Let's do this. Parser. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's too much. Too much things we need to copy here. Let's paste that in. Shit. Here's the loop. Close it. Close it again. B. Coinbase. Read a message. Error close con. Continue. Is it going to be a JSON? Probably not. Why don't we use JSON here and just the binary stuff? Because we're going to use something that's way faster than Golang's default JSON parser with 10 million allocations. We're going to use fast JSON. Why? Because we're going to go fast. It is what it is. It is what it is, brothers. The thing is that I fast parser, parse byte. Let's do this. Boom. We need to be in this for loop right here. Boom. Parser. V. Fail to parse a massage. FMT. Println. Can we do a string on this thing? We can. We can't. Fuzzy value. Actually, to be honest, V string. Sounds like a scooter. What sounds like a scooter? Can I ask you to talk about a heat map? What is example of decision making based on its the heat maps? Well, why is this actually giving me problems here? Create WS loop. Wait, let me fix this first. We need to create an endpoint, right? So I'm gonna do. Let's do this real quick. So basically, heat maps. Let me explain. Malform WS. Oh yeah, we're starting it here. Let me actually just not do that. So, of course, this heat map is a very HD. That basically means that it's, you see, the price levels here are kind of close to each other. So, but that's fine. A heat map very simple. The more yellow it is, the more volume is sitting at these levels, right? So that basically means I need to fix my granularity a little bit, right? Because, so for example, here, there are basically no orders. And normally what you're going to see is that sometimes these things will turn very yellowish. It basically means that there is a shit ton of volume sitting at these ranges, right? And what you can do is basically, is if you see that no financial advice, it's just an observation, you can see that things sometimes remove the shade of the color changes from high intensity to low intensity. It basically means that people are removing orders, right? People are removing orders. So that's very important because, for example, if this is a very big volume wall, there is nothing is certain. So don't take me on my, I'm just gonna explain the theory. There is not a, the chance is very less likely that the price will go below these levels. You see, this is a big one forming here because there is so much volume sitting, right? So each time noobs or people just market buy, it will market buy from these levels. You see, suddenly this guy comes up here. It basically blocks the market orders. It eats the orders, right? If there is certainly no wall anymore, if there is a lot of market buys, the price will go down because there is not enough volume to keep the price in the range, if that makes sense. And you can see that in the order books as well, but it's very hard to see because what the hell is this, right? That's why Heatmaps basically gave you a very good insight in what's fucking happening at what levels. You see what happened here? So a couple seconds ago, this line starts to form up, right? And then price will react to that, you know what I mean? But nothing is certain because it could be that somebody just pulls his order. Like right now, you see? He was an order, now this is gone here, it's pulled, and you see that price is going lower, you know what I mean? But that's very, very, this is on the second, right? Something like that, and all the rest is up to you, you know what I mean? That are heat maps. And if you zoom in, you can see, for example, how much BTC in this case is sitting at these levels. You know? That's basically heat maps, boys, in a nutshell. If that makes sense. Price is drawn to liquidity, but liquidity will also eat the price. You know, it's you need to see it like this. If you need to fight 10 people, the chance is very, very, very unlikely that you're gonna beat them all. You know what I mean? So if there is a big wall of volume and people are selling into that, it's less likely that the price is going to get broken unless all the volume is getting eaten, and then price will drop. In theory. Okay. Let's go back. Okay, we need to dial. So we need to actually... I don't think... Can I just dial this? I think I can. What's your team? Took your knight. Are we calling start? We don't. We do. Isn't GBS faster than Gorilla? Yeah, probably. Gorilla is not the fastest one. That's true. Connected brothers. That's true, that's true. Maybe we're gonna change that. But like I said, it's like... The thing is, we don't need to serialize over the network again. Because everything is local, so that's already good. I think I need to send a message myself, to be honest. Once I'm connected, should we wait here for a bit? What do we need to send? I think I made it in the readme. Not quite sure that's gonna work though. The thing is, if you have a heat map and you want to place an order and you suddenly see that the volume is slightly going away from the level, you just say no. We're not gonna do that. You know, we're not gonna do it. It's not looking too good. I think I need to send a message. How do we do that? How do we do that? Binance has the best API. Coinbase is different. Can I send? I can't. Wait, but that... Right message. Right JSON. We split the screen, go down. Subscription message. What's the type? I have no fucking clue. Non-blocking IO NBO for Go. I will check it out. I remember that we used Hoyer or something back in the day. Nobody checked it, apparently. Alsjeblieft. The documentation is for... Okay, GG. BTC, USDT, I guess. USD actually. Writing Golang, but also writing JavaScript at the same time. Channel, what is that? Channels. Level 2 is what I need. What is this, man? Channels, slice of a string. There's actually a slice of a map, I would say. XBT, everything. I think that's fine. I think we just try it. You know, sometimes you just do what you need to do. Nothing happens. I hope I don't need to authenticate. I don't think it is for the public web API. Public API. Is that the public API by the way? Feed. W feed exchange Coinbase. Yeah, only this. I'm thinking, what can go wrong? Yeah, a lot of things because JSON type. It's channels, not channel. You are a fucking hero, brother. I hope that's it, but I don't think it is. Most of the time it takes like 3 hours to figure out what's going on. And then you can do stuff. You see, nothing happens. Normally we should have feedden. Oh, wait here. Error failed. Subscribe. Reason level 2, level 3, full channel. Got authentication! Pterodactyl jump scare. I'm sorry. Okay. gonna do that. You see? And that's what I mean, right? You see this? That's exactly what I mean. Right? Look. Nice range, Shit. Okay. Yeah, then we need to authenticate, I guess. Oh, that's gonna take so long. But hey, shit needs to happen, huh? To authenticate, send a subscribe message and pass in the fields. Oh man. Who wants to do that? To authenticate, send a subscribe message and pass in the fields. I mean, okay, what fields? To get, this is the worst. Ooh, that's probably it's translated from Timmy code. Timmy code, man. I'm not gonna spend so much time on this. I have way more interesting things to do. Fix this. In Golang. And bring me my coffee. It sounds like I don't like it. You see, I'm actually way too impatient to give it good context, so that's why I'm not way too impatient to do this. Sign message HMAC2. Yes. Okay. That's what I want to see. Yes. Yes. Copy paste. Vandaag is het feest. Yes. Per programmer. Then we need these keys. Subscribe message op args. Is dat wel, jongen? Okay, it needs to pass in these things probably. That's what it probably means. So let's go back here, right? So let me read the Python. We do these things, signature, channel level 2, eat. So how is it doing this? It gets, yeah, okay. Type channels, do this, signature, API key, passphrase timestamp. You know what? Here. Some Python dev, but I can't write Python. So yeah, you know, translate to Golang. Shit, now he's confused. Huh? Here is the code you need to translate, brother. This thing. But I think I just basically read the documentation and try to do it myself because I'm confused here. Copy paste development. It's like I'm impatient. Just don't want to do this stuff. I hate doing these things. I just want to get these heatmaps on. I don't want to hassle with this bullshit. Here's an example of an authenticate subscribe request. Okay, let me just do it myself. It's better. I can do this, man. We can do this. We can do this. Wait, do I? I think you can do that. Let's do it the bad way and then fix it later on. Product, IDs. For now, it's gonna be a slice of string. I forgot that. BTC, USD. Calls themselves a Golang developer. Cannot even make a simple slice. Oh, my back hurts, brother. Channels. Where's full? Where's full? Level 2. Signature key and passphrase. Okay, sig. Nature. Funny part is, once we are connected, it's just easy peasy. That's that. We need a key. And we need a passphrase. And we need a timestamp. Okay. Can you call my function, please? Yes. Called it. Fuck. Error. And now what? Profile ID. I don't want to hassle with this. They're all doing crypto, but we need to give all our things. Can you imagine that? Coinbase is like the worst of all, man. It's the worst exchange of ever. They are so fucking... But all the noobs are there, so I need to provide it. So dev generate signature. Wait, channels need to be this. That's not what we want. Here's an example of an authenticated but that's an authenticated subscribe request. Aha, wait, yes. But we first need to subscribe, which is this. No, it's not. What's the difference between this code and this? I'm confused. A slice, channel, and an ID. Okay. Coinbase API key help. Can fill that in. Keys API key. API key. Okay, now I need to generate this bullshit. What does this do? It returns this and a timestamp, and we need a passphrase as well. Where is that coming from? Signature pad. User self-verify. Okay. Signature pad. Who uses single quotes, man? Who does that? Confused programmer sounds. Yes, man. I'm not really a programmer. That hurts. I'm not really a programmer, I swear. I'm just good with text. Is there no Coinbase Go SDK? Who uses SDKs? Maybe, but they're most likely out of date because, I mean, I think with that, it's just the passphrase. Where is this body thing coming from? Ah, here. Passphrase. Secret key. Okay. As. Pass. Phrase. Is this correct? And then we need Coinbase secret key. Okay. What? Your limit, motherfuckers. How do I reset this bad boy here? New one. Translate this to go. Wait, did I make a mistake here? Wait. Probably so many mistakes here, but it's fine. It's fine. We will fix it. Okay, goal line codes, of course, 20,000 lines longer than normally, but it's fine. Where's the signed message? This sucks. I'm gonna do this. That's what we need here, real quick. Time save, string convert, signature pad. Ah, signature pad. Oh, I'm gonna do it like this. Nasty and blasty. OS get env. Wait, it's not that. No, it's a sigpad. Signature pad. Bam. Decode the base64 secret key. Always, you need to always read the comments because otherwise they know it's GPT generated. Guys, this is the best tip I can give you. Just delete it and then nobody knows. I wrote the code myself. Ah yeah, there are no comments, fine. Don't expose yourself by leaving the comments in. Base 65 code. There was some guy was on the Hollywood package, the active open source library that I made. A guy made a PR request. It was previous year, and he made a PR request, and it was like 20, maybe even 100,000 lines changed. Maybe it could be a little bit exaggerated, but And it was all GPT generated comments. That was fucking wild, man. And what do you need to say against a guy like, bro? That ain't gonna get merch, man. Oh, man. And what's this? Coinbase secret key. Let's do it like that, so we are 100% sure we don't make typos. HMAC. Terry, yeah, Terry. Do you remember that guy? Oh wait, can we? I don't have GitHub on Brave, but I will show you. It was wild. Oh man, his first pull request, 20,000 lines of GPT generated comments. Okay, that returns me an B64. What do we need to sign actually? That's the thing. What do we sign here? Nothing. Nothing. I know, just the time and all that stuff. It's just like, hey, sign the time. Generate signature. I don't like the name, but it is what it is. Sig. Time. What is this? Oh, there's an error as well. R. Yeah. That's so long that I wrote if R is not nil. What am I gonna do here? Turn an error, I guess. Easy peasy. Boom. Then we have a time. Timestamp. Time. Key phrase. Passphrase. Signature is sig. OS get env. Look at this! Look at this guy going, man! Holy shit! Who is this guy? It's Jason Bourne. Look at me, man. I'm the juggler. We have something else actually in env. The secret key. The API key and the passphrase. API key, passphrase. Secret key here. We have everything what it is. Save the changes you did in env. I did. Saved. Coinbase passphrase secret key is what you want. Jason Bourne. Jason Bourne, man. And now, this is going to be the hardest part, is basically create an API key and all that stuff without exposing myself to you guys. That's the thing. Can somebody just do that for me? Send it me on Discord. Mansoor, can you do that for me real quick? Can you generate me these things? Send it me on Discord. And I can copy paste that. That would be nice. Or Terry or something. Terry or Mansoor, one of these two guys. But it doesn't really matter, right? It's just API keys for the public. I don't even understand why it's needed. But hey, this is what it is. What monitor are you using? Terry, what the hell is that? Terry, I want the same keyboard as you. Send me. For my wedding. Don't give Sarah money. Just give me a keyboard, man. Oh, that would be amazing. We will see the env file anyway. That's not true because we have this. Look at that. Oh no, it's height. Cloak height secrets. Your mother is a nasty bitch. You can't see it, huh? What do you need from us? Mansoor, the secrets. In Coinbase, create me something like a Coinbase API key, a passphrase, and a secret key. That's what I need right now. Meanwhile, we're gonna actually do some... oh shit, I'm declared. Yeah, of course, it's not gonna work because we need to do it, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this message, and actually we're gonna create auth request, so that's gonna be actually an M. A map, string any. Very dirty. Later on you would make a type for that, but just for the sake of getting this done. Fuck. Just nil, huh? Generate the signature! What the hell is going on? It's unused. Oh yeah, because the cascading not used. Terry G, what are you doing in Iran? What are you from Iran? Coinbase not support in my country. What are you guys using in Albania? Wait. Well, authenticate, but I don't know when we need to do it because probably need to sleep here a bit. Out rec if there's no error here with the start. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna start it, right? So if the error is not null, we are gonna actually panicking. It doesn't actually make any sense here because we can't. Mansoor will take care of it. Otherwise, I need to spend like 10-20 minutes in another browser that nobody can see, and then that's cool to watch, huh? That's cool to watch. What are we doing here? So this is a start message in the actor. So what's going on? I would say poison ourselves and call it a day or something. Or look, panic is not gonna work. Panic is gonna restart this actor, right? Look at this. What's this MSG here? Nobody cares about this boy. Look, it's gonna panic right now. And it's gonna keep restarting, I think. No, it's not. You have a trailing space. Probably will cause problems. Man, you guys are so sharp, man. Handling, you are like... Man. You are sharp as a knife. What is this? No, what I think is normally it cannot actually give us... Would it be the correct out request, actually? Again. You know what the problem is? That if you want to, let's say, after we put in the case and it's not working, okay, there are so many things that can go wrong, because if you check the documentation, I really think these two are a little bit wrong. Because they do channels in a slice of whatever, but here, this is from the official exchange scripts by WebSocket. From Coinbase samples. Coinbase samples is coming from... Who is the Coinbase samples? Nobody. They do it like this. That's not how we do it. Right? That's not how we do it. That's not how we do it. Oh, what is this type? It's a slice of... It's a slice of a map string, any... Yeah, slice of strict, but I don't wanna... I mean, this is such a bad API design. Anyway, it's gonna be a slice of a map string, any. Open this up, delete this. I don't know. Don't want to think about that. Normally it would be a strict, but then you need to marshal it, and if you just use a map, you can just put it into a message, and it's gonna send that. You see, then you have this, and then you need to. Mansoor, let me know if you're okay. Man, that's a fucking that's a whole shit. You need a secret. Are you 100% sure I need to put organizations as well in front of it? Oh man. According to Coinbase, what they told us here as well. Here. Yeah, that's what's confusing me, right? He does it like this. But then, here, an example of an authenticated subscribe request. And then they do it like this. That's what I like. This thing is what I like. That's what I like, brother. This is weird. We're gonna see. I'm waiting for my private stuff to put in the environment variables. Come on, Mansoor! Let's go, brother! Okay, so meanwhile, what we also need is basically once we have Coinbase working, we need to push it to another actor. So let me do that real quick as well. So we have consumer actors, Binance, Coinbase, yada yada yada. You can have multiple consumers, no problem. But we want an combined. I'm gonna make a new folder here. I'm gonna call this "How are the keys redacted?" That's a plugin in VS Code. That as well. Combines. Call it a combined order book. Combined order book. Actor. Another book. Oof. Fuck it, I'm gonna call it combined. Because I'm simple. And that's what she said as well. Is this font size good? I mean, it's weird. Lucifer, what's going on, brother? Who are you, Lucifer? Do I know you? Because... it feels we know each other, somehow. This Coinbase thing is shit, yeah, I know. 100%. Anthony de Meulemeister. To be honest, we can actually copy the whole book. We can copy the whole order book. The whole one. The whole order book. Combined with order book. Is that what we're gonna do? Package combined with order book. New combined order book. New combined with new order book. Yes, that's what it is. Look, new, combined, new order book. Boom. Order book, order book. We're done? No, we're not done because we don't need to publish. We need to publish heat maps. What are we receiving? Started, trade. Pair symbol, that's not gonna work, right? Yeah, the publisher. Yeah, where are we gonna publish? Shit. Actually, a pair is... I have an idea. O pair symbol. That's actually true, right? It's a publisher for a specific symbol, BTC, combined. But wait. This is gonna be a combined publisher, right? It's gonna... Oh, publish. Publish. Do we start this thing? No, we don't. How do we start a combined Orderbook? What do we give it? A pair. PVC. There's gonna be a problem because, yeah. Where is he? The thing is, how can we combine? Need to be a pair. We can't. Combine on the book doesn't take a pair. Hello, you look like someone who code fires during free time. Yes, I do. I am, brother. Calculate heat map. We can't. We don't have that. Yet. Fuck. We cannot send a normal order book over because we don't have a fucking pair. Wait! We make our own! We get... I have the best idea ever. We're gonna revert. Suddenly I get the best idea. A pair is basically revert again here. So we want the pair, but actually, what is a pair? A pair is an exchange with a symbol. For example, Coinbase, Bitcoin USDT, Binance, Haktua coin, something else. But what we can do, because this is a combined, we're gonna say, let me make a new pair, C pair. It's gonna be event pair. And we're gonna say that the exchange is gonna be the combined one. Makes sense. And the symbol, let's start for BTC. USD. T, USD, doesn't really matter. It's just BTC, dollar, packed, not packed, whatever, doesn't really matter. C pair. So now we're gonna start this thing. What do we need as well? We need to give it a name. Combined. And we're gonna say actor with ID, and I'm gonna give it C pair symbol. There's gonna be a pit. I wanna see how the pit looks real quick here. Pit here, paste it, make. Shit. Let's click here. I'm hungry. The pit is combined BTC USDT. Yeah, it's gonna take this thing. I'm gonna actually. Yeah, that's fine. Calculate depth, event rate. There's no messages being sent. So I'm not quite sure what the fuck is going on here. The worst stack trace in fucking is I need to fix that in Hollywood. Something that really annoys me in the stack traces. Invalid memory address or nil pointer dereference. Yeah. You should use Rust. Rust is for spare time projects. Mansoor, how is my thing going, brother? But Mansoor, can you explain me, do I need to copy paste that API key directly into the env, or do I need to, what is that thing? What is that? And then I have a private key, but is that my passphrase? The secret probably. If you can really figure that out for me, that would be nice. Oh man. I need three stuff. I need three things. The API key, the passphrase, and the secret key. What is the passphrase then? Mansoor. We only have two things. But, I mean... Well, soon we'll figure it out. Well, soon we'll figure it out, I guess. I agree with everyone that the Coinbase API documentation is quite bad. It's horrendous. There are no words for that. Oh no, he doesn't. That there should be an empty string. Hey! Reddit is amazing. But how this could take somebody like 5 million? It needs to be an empty string. Passphrase doesn't exist. Okay. We're gonna fix this actor soon, the combined one, but it's actually set up, right? For soon or later. Streaming. So we don't need the password, so we only need the secret key. Not that it actually matters that I leak these keys because they're gonna be deleted after the stream. There's no coins to be found or something, you know? It doesn't work like that. But hey. Look at this! I pasted in here and it shows here. Pretty sure if I close the file and I open it back up, because it probably wants to be in quotes. What a plugin! But now you can see it. It doesn't really matter. It's Mansour's key. It's Mansour's key. Get fucked. Doesn't really matter. This is just a WebSocket key. They will be deleted after the stream. So whatever. Do whatever you need to do. It doesn't really matter, actually, to be honest. The /n, so annoying. Why? Yeah. They ain't gonna fucking work. 100% sure. Coinbase, brother. You're still here, man. Oh, man. Yes, I got it. But it doesn't matter because you need the secret key as well. So, pretty sure it's not gonna work. Where is passphrase? Passphrase should be actually passphrase. An empty string. For no reason at all. Ain't gonna work. Garbage! Levels 2 and 3 don't need authentication. They do. Level 2, level 3 and full channels now require authentication. I know back in the day they didn't. But now they do. And that's the problem. But I love you. I read not, I know. I know you don't read. We could actually also pick another exchange, but I think... Coinbase, Binance have the most volume, right? Coinbase, BTC, volume compared to Binance. Yes, we can see it. What a fucking... Key takeaways, man. Write a decent fucking thing. Just give me like 2 numbers. Chang Pang Zhao? Chang Pang Zhao? They're kind of distracting, yeah, I know. But we're gonna migrate from Raylib as well. So probably tomorrow Raylib is gone. Jesus, the first thing I hear is garbage. Yeah, I'm so sorry, brother. Migrate to what? To non-C. To non-C call something that can be compiled to WebAssembly, by the way. A bitten, yeah, exactly. That's what we're gonna do. Why? Because it compiles to WebAssembly, doesn't call. Yeah. Just because of WebAssembly, also because of iOS, Android, and all that stuff. So the only thing that needs to be done is a lot of UI work, but hey, who cares? I can fix that, no problem. No problem, bro. I just press buttons. Ibitten, yeah, it's just Ibitten is good because it batches. It's very performant. It doesn't use any C. It's very good. It's very good. And we don't need to hassle with all of other stuff. You also have UI package, is it? But the thing is that can you find it for me, Monsterite? If you can find it for me, it would be nice. Is that? Do they have UI? That's crazy. I think Raylib is fine. Wait. But the thing is, I need to make a choice, right? So, or I keep using Raylib and I built the complete app, but I can never compile it to WebAssembly. And that would be, not that I need it right now, but that would be a problem. Because this is a very useful app. And I want to make it as performant as possible to prove all these Rust boys wrong. Because Golang is very, very fast and they will know very soon. Their ankles will be broken. But somebody that I know already reached out to me and said, hey, these heatmaps, I want to white label them. And I said, oh fuck, how am I gonna do that? And I was thinking, fuck, I cannot compile to WebAssembly. So if somebody wants to have my heatmaps on a browser, they can't. But now I'm gonna rewrite it. Now I still can into a bit, which is actually very simple. Some heatmaps, it's the data and all that stuff that takes the most time, right? Now we can compile to everything and we should be set for the future. It's still in dev too, I think. Can somebody link it? And see, you can compile to Wasm, yes. Yeah. I was thinking maybe I should rewrite it in Odin. But then I need to, my engine is not tied and my actor engine that sits locally is Go and I need to serialize everything and it's just going to be a mess and I don't want to deal with that. So I will basically write the UI myself, to be honest. Yeah. Bit new UI. Shit, was the last date here? 5 months ago. Yeah, but that's a game UI, huh? It's pretty impressive and all. I think I'm gonna write it myself, to be honest, because buffer image is a wrapper for an emitted image that helps caching the image. As long as width and height are the same, no new image will be created. I want to do it like that. But why, huh? Mass render buffer. Draw calls D to D on screen, yeah. The buffer images pass to D and DM on the same side of the screen. If it was Ona, it was just Raylib, because it's easy. And then I could compile to Wasm. But now we can't, so I need to change that. Fuck it. It's fine. Yeah, okay. Coinbase, hello? I don't know if it's correct. I should probably need to, because I have this begin certificate in here. I don't know if it's correct. Can somebody verify? Coinbase API key. I mean, if maybe this is wrong. Maybe this is wrong. Maybe one of this thing is wrong, right? Maybe it's right. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe the key is wrong. The way I pass it. Maybe the thing is wrong. The other thingy. I don't know. How one do that? Try the URL in the browser. How do you mean? It's not an URL, it's the message we need to send. User self-verify. Where is this Reddit post? Fuck. You make 2 tricks. Yeah, I know. You're right, actually. You're not wrong. Get an idea. Yes. Look, just keep it simple, huh? It needs to do... It always needs to come up with some fancy stuff, right? It cannot just... It needs to do some things, you know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Man, how can you put that in your mouth? That's crazy. Probably somebody that can. On OnlyFans or something. Probably find somebody. Okay. Hey, shut up. ETUSD. BTC. I think we're set. If this not works, we need to call. We need to call with the bald man from Coinbase. Somebody sees any problems here? Please tell me. Maybe I forgot something. What I'm gonna do? I cannot. Normally I would debug what that thing is, but I can't because you guys are watching it. You guys watching my keys. Philosophies. A freak like me just needs infinity. Increase your chance to land a job. Nightbot, shut up. Pretty annoying. It's pretty annoying, brother. Maybe Mansoor already deleted his key. Could be, right? Maybe Mansoor already disabled it, and now we are trying, and he's laughing like he's laughing, and we are trying. So it's gonna be pretty annoying to debug. No, I didn't black screen it and try with the key without fancy stuff. Yeah, but it's fine. It's just a small thing we need to figure out. Once that's done, it's gonna be super easy. Just need to pause, put it in an order book, and GG well played. And then we can have where's my select here? The question is, let me actually, silly, but you maybe need a passphrase. No, you don't. That's the thing. Well, no. We looked that up. We looked that up. The thing is that if I need to rewrite this, I don't think it's too bad because I just need to copy everything, right? Just the way I draw is going to be different, right? Isn't it? There's a problem here. I don't know what it is. I'm double drawing here for some reason. Thing is, if you the haha, you are being baited. You are being baited here. Oh shit! And now I cannot draw it anymore. Yeah. You are being baited. Let's put it back. Let's put it back into place. Look at that. It's like a woman. It's like a woman that's a little bit chubby, and then she put like these tight pants on, so everything looks like compact and nice. But if she's naked, she's like, yeah, it's like this, like, oh, this looks good, and then there's a whoop, oh fuck. That's what it is, but it's fine. Let's just cover it up. You know what I mean? Let's just cover it up. The team is horrible. Yeah, I know, but the thing is, like, the team doesn't really matter. That's easy to change, right? That's easy to change because what is this? If I need to do this is just like a rectangle with a rectangle, and then these icons could be like SVGs that I load in. That's it, right? SVG, you and me. What do you think, boys? It's like these green things flashing out. I'm thinking here for the next play. What the hell is that? Let's cover it up. They do it. They do it like they should it. What's the flipbook? The thing is, making these combo boxes is you don't want to hassle with that, brother. You really don't want to hassle with combo boxes. It's how many people would click this? How many people would click this and say, "Hey, what the fuck? The site's not working." A lot, trust me, because I want to click it as well. They have a live preview. Where? Where is the live preview? Imagine you click this and it works. That would be sick. Like, that would be mind blowing. If I click this and suddenly it works, then I was... Ashton, shut the fuck up. ByteDance. The boys from Sonic. Here's a live demo, huh? That's why I want to have it in a bitten of EB10 of whatever the fuck that this thing is called, because then I compile everything just to a WebAssembly as well. I think increments, I see what it is. Snaps. We can have tabs as well. That's crazy. Yo. I mean, if you need to write such a thing, like you're gonna be there are only two outcomes if you write this. One, you did it and it's full of bugs, or two, you hang yourself on a tree. There's also an option 3, which is you basically jumped off a roof and you're still alive, but with no legs and no teeth. That's crazy. So Drag and drop as well. Hop. Hey, that's very good. I think styling is a team, not sure though. I really hope so, because this sucks balls. I mean, but that's like, oh, this scroll thing is... Oh, wait. A grid layout, okay, it's just... anchor layout. This is actually interesting, I'm not gonna lie. These layouts, brother, I swear to God. Job very well, well done, I would say. Hey man, what is it you're coding? Desktop app. The retain mode. What is retain mode? No, it's not immediate. Okay, it's immediate. It's retained mode. Okay, I see what it is. Where was I? Where the fuck was I? Huge. Oh, actual widget implementation on the other works in immediate mode. This is however not noticeable for the API user. The reason for immediate mode is that the builder will cause widgets to draw their current state in each repeater. How many years of experience do you have? 20. 15. Yeah, we always round above. That's what you need to do. But experience, it depends, right? I mean, actually professional experience. Yeah. 15-ish, maybe a little bit less, because what are the first 3 years in an experience? Nothing, right? Nothing. What are you doing? I need to check that. What we're gonna do with this? Okay, let me see the theming before I team. Yeah, but I don't like container options. Like, you need to be these guys. I mean, they make this. That's crazy. I remember that being great engineer, you are jacked as well. Crazy dedication, discipline. Dedication. What is dedication? What is dedication if you're used to something? What is that? You know what I mean? If you are used to go to the gym every day, if you're used to eat most of the time healthy, if you're just used to that. I vape, so I consume nicotine. That's because I'm used to it. You know, I should stop, by the way. Everything is simple once you just have it in your routine. You know what I mean? It's just, that's the thing. It's a habit. It's exactly, it's a habit. For me, it's nothing special. I just go to the gym. Sometimes I don't like it, but I just go. Sometimes I like it, and I go ham. But I always go, right? Because I'm used to it. It feels like empty if I don't, because I'm used to it. Where is this thing? I will check it out. It's a pretty cool concept. Oh wait, we are still rendering. Look at that. You see, how long is this app running? And look, we are still at 59. We are still at the max frame rate, of course. But I mean, do you know how many levels these are? I mean, this is optimized. This is optimized as fuck. However, there are some bugs here and there, but that's not the case, right? Like, there are some bounds that are still fucked, I know, but what do you guys think I need to do? What's the best play here? Use a button before it's getting too big, so we can compile to all targets. Or not. All right, good. Yes, that's this. I'm gonna eat actually. I'm gonna maybe stream Refactor now, less effort. Yeah, it's not too big. Like, I don't need to rewrite a lot, right? It's just the way we draw stuff. And like all the scaling thingies, and that's just some refactoring. It's not the worst thing. I can do it in maybe a day or two, maybe even sooner. But then we have something that's pretty not something that is not tied to C as well. It's not calling Seago, which also gonna boost more stuff. All right, that's that. So if you're interested, guys, jump into the Discord community. I'm gonna, like I said, I think I'm gonna sell the guides and code base and all that stuff for, I don't know, 49 for the first 10. And that goes up. That goes up. And once it's done, you have something that's pretty cool. Look at that. This line needs to be fixed. I wonder how. $49. Yes, 49, exactly. $49 refund policy if 1 year refund policy if I'm not making any updates anymore. That basically keeps me, makes me finishing it, and then we can actually, the price increases, because why? Yeah, I mean, if you go to TradingView to have some stuff, you need to pay way more each month, and this is just pay once, enjoy forever. I mean, that's a new thing, pay once, enjoy forever. Thank you, DHH. And the thing is that, of course, what did you learn? Well, you have the whole actor and the whole actor stuff, which I'm gonna explain. Probably this is already some bit testing to port it. We're gonna add scripting, scripting execution. We're gonna add indicators, custom indicators that can be plotted. Multiple exchanges, combined order books, combined heat maps, volumes, profiles. I want to change the order books as well a little bit in the, and I have a cool format for the order books. I have a cool idea for it. So better order books, all natively. Desktop can also be built for the web. Hence wasm. The only thing that the problem is the syncing, because right now everything works as a local app. The problem is you're not always online, so I need to find a way to sync data if needed. The idea is to have as less, to have it as close to you as possible. You know what I mean? As more in your hands, instead of relying on web tech. You're not using Ghosty. Why would I use Ghosty if I have a terminal here? I don't understand. I have Alacrity as well. Why should I check Ghosty out? Either. It's pretty good. It's probably pretty good. Cheers to the man that made it, but yeah, I mean, I cannot use everything. You know what I mean? And why don't you use Melissa and not Sabrina? I mean. Hey, actually, you can use multiple women. You can actually use multiple terminals as well. But are you cheating? That's the question. If you use multiple terminals, are you cheating? Huh? I don't know. You tell me. P2P cluster. Processing, let's go. When you sell it. Listen, I want to do it good. So that basically means I made some mistakes in the past. People buy a course, they ask me to access for GitHub, I forget it. They still have not access. The day after, I forget it again. They have 2 days no access, maybe it's almost a week. So I want to set it up that the moment you pay, you click the fucking pay button, you get added to a private Discord channel, you get added to GitHub, automatically. That's what's gonna happen. So you have instantly what you need. That's what I want. So everybody gets served the way they need, the way they deserve. But I also, I could start tomorrow, but the problem is I want to give people a good base. I mean, you know, I want to give people a good base to start with. It's just a little bit, I'm figuring things out, a good base. But of course, it's going to be a pre-sale. That could be a pre-sale. You have a scuffed version. Why not? It's not even, you cannot call it beta or alpha. You call it like plastic version. If you're happy with that, we can start. Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna fix all the shit here that needs to be fixed, because then there are no people watching my private keys, API keys, and I'm gonna think about how we're gonna fix that with Ibitten, and I see you probably tomorrow. Thank you everybody for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Jump into the Discord community. Poke me if you're interested. And have a fucking nice, a very good weekend. Take care of yourself, of your lovings, your family, your kids, whatever, your friends, your girlfriend, or your boyfriend, or, you know, whenever suits you. Inshallah. Love you all. Peace and love. Shit. I basically, I'm stuck. Yes, here, the end screen button was basically blocked by